Introducing 7 brand new silk paint colors from Dixie Belle. Let's use one of the brand new silk paint colors to paint this beautiful dresser. First things first, always inspect your piece, remove the existing hardware, and get ready to clean well with White Lightning. After you've cleaned well with White Lightning, remember to rinse with water. You can choose to sand scuff your piece before you begin, or use Slick Stick as your gripping primer. Since I'm working indoors and I do not want to sand this piece, I applied 2 even coats of Slick Stick to this piece, waiting 24 hours before paint. Using Slick Stick as my gripping primer allows me to be ensured that my paint will stick very, very well. I find that using my smooth roller to apply Slick Stick is a great way to keep the surface very smooth and even. While I waited for that Slick Stick to get dry, I came in and added 2 coats of espresso gel stain to the top of this piece. What color are we going to choose to paint this beautiful dresser? We are going to use a brand new color from the silk paint line called Badlands. This paint has a built-in top coat and a built-in primer, and can I tell you, the coverage is absolutely amazing. Since this has a built-in primer, I don't have to worry about any bleed through, and when I'm done applying my 2 even coats of Silk Mineral Paint, I do not have to add a top coat. It's already built in to the paint. Silk paint is totally self-leveling. You'll find that this silk paint goes on very smooth and very evenly. After waiting approximately 2 hours for your first coat to dry, I came in and applied my second coat of silk paint. And since silk paint is mildew resistant, it is the most perfect paint for any bathroom projects or cupboards that you might want to update. The brush that I'm using for this project is my flat medium. Using a nice, smooth synthetic brush allows you to minimize any brush strokes. I also like to work in small sections, like 1 drawer at a time, making sure to cover the entire area with paint. The color I'm using today is Badlands, and it's one of 7 brand new silk paint colors. I reused the existing hardware for this project by staining it the same color as the top of this piece in a beautiful espresso gel stain. And since I do not have to top coat over top of my Silk Mineral Paint, when this project was done, it was done. I could just walk away. What do you think of this beautiful brand new color? I absolutely love it. It's totally neutral and will fit into any decor. And here is your first look at the beautiful brand new 7 colors of Silk Mineral Paint.